Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video, we will discuss about why you should choose Linux over Windows in 2024. You can see that let me show you what I am using right now. So you can see that I am using Linux Lite as my primary operating system. I am using Linux about 5 to 6. I have started using Linux about 5 to 6 years ago. I have left Windows many times ago. So now let's see some points why you should start using Linux over Windows. So first, when it comes to Linux, it's absolutely free. You can download any Linux distro. I will suggest you to try Ubuntu. If you are a new user of Linux, Ubuntu will be very helpful for you. You can check by installing Ubuntu in your system. So let me just assume you are using Windows 11. So if you search for Windows 11 price, then go to Microsoft official store. You can see this is about 10,000 rupees including GST for Windows 11 Home Edition. In case of Linux, you get the operating system completely free. And the second one is customization. I have forgot that how Windows screen look like. Let me just search for it. Windows 11 screen. Let me go to the images. Also, this is the user interface of Windows. Here is the user interface of Linux. I am using Linux Lite. This may differ in case of some other Linux, but what is the fun thing here? You can change the whole environment by using just some simple commands in your terminal. You can choose KDE Plasma Desktop. Let me show you how KDE Plasma looks like. KDE Plasma Desktop. You can install various desktop environment in any Linux because it is open source software, so everything will be free. This KDE Plasma will look like this. You can customize it to the very end. Okay, Linux is a very good operating system for. You can customize it according to your needs. Let me show you just some desktop environments. Let's search for best desktop environment. Okay, so in a website, it's POS. You can see here he mentioned 8 best desktop environment for Linux. You can see this is KDE, this is Mate, this is Genome. So you can customize it according to your own choice. So second point was completed. So third point, and the main point, is security. As Linux is an open source software, you can see Linux source code, and every application source code will not run without your permission. Let me just show you. You can see that here is a Debian package. Okay, in Windows you can install exe, but you can't see its code or which file it's included. So here you double click it, give your sudo password and authenticate. If you go to included files, you can see that every details is there. Okay, and every software in Linux is completely free. If you are coming from Linux, adapting Linux would be very easy because now Linux is using. You can install update by clicking here. Okay, you can install update. You can update it by here. You have a software store. Actually, I don't use software store. I will update it later. I always use terminal for installing my needed softwares. So here you got software center. In Windows you get store, here you get software center, and every software here is free. Okay, now let me tell you one more important thing, which is performance. Okay, let me show you my system configuration. Just wait few seconds, system configurations will be loaded. Okay, you can see that I am using a old i5 processor and not any graphics card in this machine. Okay, I have a RAM of 8 GB, and if you search for Windows 11 minimum requirement, you can see it's needed 1 GHz or faster processor and at least 4 GB of RAM and 65 GB of storage in your device. And when it comes to Linux Lite, which operating system I am using, Linux Lite system requirements, you can see that here you need only a 768 MB of RAM, 8 GB of disk space, and any kind of CPU. Okay, if you have a old machine, then Windows 11 will not be supported in your system. You should go for Linux. You have many Linux version for that. And when it's come to performance, let me just show you. Let me just open my task manager. Here you can see I have started recording my screen. I have opened various applications. You can see that there are various processes running in background, but you can see only 1.5 GB RAM is occupied. Okay, and CPU, you can see only 22% of CPU is occupied. If I open Google Chrome here, let me see how much this RAM uses is gone to 2.1 GB. Okay, so Linux is very low resource needed operating system, so you will get a boost performance for your older PCs. And one more thing, if you need any help in Linux, you can have all active community. Let me show you. You can see that there are many active communities for Linux. Okay, your query will be solved within few minutes. Okay, so the 5 points for using Linux over Windows is, this is actually for me. I am using Linux I have started using Linux about 4 to 5 years ago, and I did not have installed Windows. If you are into gaming, then Windows is best for you. But so for gamers, you can install Steam on your Linux operating system. Okay, so you can play some basic games like popular game Counter-Strike 2, okay, and Rise of Tomb Raider, other Counter-Strike games, and many more. You can search the store according to your taste. But if you are just into gaming, then Linux is not for you. If you have a old PC that's lying down on you, that's getting slow day by day, you can try Linux. You will get relief. Okay, so if you want to install Linux, just go to my YouTube channel, and I have already made a full video about Linux installation in my channel. So you can see this is the Cyberfeed is a new channel. I am trying to grow my channel, so keep your support by subscribing my channel. This will be a great help. And if you need any kind of help regarding Linux, you can comment down below. I will solve your query as soon as possible. So signing off from today's video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for keep patience for this long video. I will try to make more good videos by day.